Oh, you know what? Use this thing a bit.
Oh yeah, I can talk to you.
Winona traffic, this is Cessna 7253 Quebec, departing runway 30, depart near to the north. Winona traffic.
I'll probably give it back to you to...
Yeah.
Because I think if I hit the mic, it still don't hear me. Alright, let's have some fun. Looks clear. I haven't heard anybody out there for a long time.
No.
Since the other guys took off. Yeah, they got a nice runway here now.
Yeah.
You bet.
Winona traffic, Cessna 7253 Quebec, departing pattern to the northwest, Winona. Hey, like, follow the river if you want or whatever.
That's perfect. Yeah.
It'll bring us right there.
You gave me the easy track now.
good now.
You know.
Alright, yeah, TPA should be about 1778.
Cool.
Red Wing traffic, that's a 7253 Quebec, now on 45 to downwind runway 27, Red Wing.
Birds above. Got something about this time of year, all these birds moving around.
12, yeah.
Yeah.
Guys are fighting.
You buggers.
Dog fighting.
Those would hurt too. Big old boards. That's a big old geese too.
Yeah.
No formation flying. Holy, they're big.
Red Wing traffic, Cessna 7253 Quebec, base for runway 27, Red Wing. Oh, sorry, I forgot about
that's
the
right.
downwind call there.
That's cool, man. Oh, it's hard to see my speeds over here. What are my speeds right now?
You're at like 85.
Okay. It's hard, you can't see the speeds over here.
Yeah,
So you're kind of like, I think I'm right here.
yeah. Oh, there's a bald eagle.
Really?
Still at 85.
Alright.
Red Wing traffic, Cessna 7253 Quebec, turning final runway 27, Red Wing. Boom, right on the money, look at that.
Yes. Say hi, I'll correct it.
You're at 80 now.
Slightly low.
70 now. Still 70.
You want to do a touch and go out of here, man, or keep on trucking, or do you want to go in for a little bit? It's up to you.
I don't know. Let's just back taxi.
Back taxi, man?
Yeah.
Cool. Good God, 2 months, 2.5 months, I remember how to fly.
Yeah, still got it.
Still got her.